We'll be looking at the negative shapes of the bananas. If you look at the black and white photo, you'll see very clearly where the blacks and whites are. In this very simple sketch, as you can see, what I'm trying to do is just to capture the darkened shape of the top and in the shadow, as well as the shadow at the bottom, and tiny bits of shadows in between the bananas. I try to capture it boldly and just to, try to understand the shape. And of course, the background is dark. I darken it as much as I can with my pencil. You will struggle with a HB, but with a 2B or 4B, that's usually not a problem at all. So as you can see, I'm not trying to be exact. In fact, I made some mistakes, but it doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, it's just a very quick sketch using negative shapes. That's the easy way of observing the world. Negative shapes. Hope you like it.